we have to lift up a prayer for this man, because this is what I'm seeing in the realms of the spirit. God said I should pray for you. I'm seeing something in your room. I am seeing a certificate. I am seeing a certificate. There is a certificate that I'm seeing, and there is an inscription on it. AAP something something. It's like American Association of Psychiatric Technician or something.
Yes. It's a course that I make here. It's a course that I make here.
That is a course.
Yes. It's a training course.
It's a training course.
Yes.
This is what the Spirit of the Lord is telling me, that God said, I will take this man far, and I'm about to use him as a vessel to make money so that he can take care of the orphans. And the course that you are taking, as I'm speaking to you right now, I am seeing the director for that course. I am hearing Logan or something. Logan or something. Oh, Logan or something. That is the director. The director.
Okay.
And
That's the director's name.
that's the director's name. And
Yes.
the course that you are taking now, I am seeing the president, Eric Soto or something. Eric Soto.
Eric Dixon.
And this is what the Spirit of the Lord is telling me, that this course you will pass and pass well, and you are about to make money out of it. And this is what the Spirit of the Lord is telling me, that in no time you are going to be making millions of dollars, and
Amen.
you are supposed to take care of the orphans. You are supposed to take care of the orphans. And I am seeing your future. And I'm seeing you standing somewhere around Community 2. And I'm seeing you standing.
That's where I live.
That's where you live. And God said, you'll be coming from America to Communities 2. And you will come and take care of the orphans. You'll be taking care of the needy. And I'm seeing you holding money. You are going to the Ghana Commercial Bank with that money in Community 2. And God said, in no time, you are going to make money. No weapon fashioned against you shall ever prosper. But when you make money, make sure you take care of the orphans. We are lifting up prayer for you, because I am seeing something like a project. I'm seeing a project. I'm seeing a house. I am seeing a house. Talk to me, sir. I'm seeing a house.
Amen. That's my house I'm building.
You are building your house. And as I'm speaking to you now, I am seeing you doing something like you are building a fence wall. A fence wall. A fence wall.
Yes, around the house. Around the house.
Around the house, you are building a fence wall around the house.
Yes.
Someone is about to enter the house. They will go and put something like a charm at that place. But God said, for what He has with you, a covenant that He has with you, no weapon fashioned against you shall ever prosper.
Amen.
That says the Lord.
Inimsa Christ adom ene ne moburu hunti wa wo hwe mi ho ye pa. Sisia no emre ne dane ano wadane ohu binti. The meetings ne fa ye ba hyehyɛ ne nsachi we say wo fie kura na ye betimi ne wa ya asɔre. Na atoma koma so sɛ omo baba be sponsor eye TV program no animanimu ye said ye be ya omundum TV no ne mo aboasafo na no na me mmom paye ma wo mo e Zoom ye ye abefo ntinta fidie no so a o nti we se uni Zoom wo phone so a untumi nye bi nti wonipa bia ebeka na koma say bosumi wei letimi as sponsor Say, say nipa no ɔmfa number na ɛwɔ screen no. Ɔfa number na ɛwɔ screen na yɛbɛhyia saafoɔ na ɔmo sponsor no ɛwɔ Zoom. Na kyerɛ sɛ no ɔmfa kaa ma ha. Ɛyɛ Zoom asɔre ɛna yɛbɛyɛ. Na ɛyɛ Friday wiyɛ. Nti wanka wo ho a yɛpɛ nipa dodoɔ kakra bi yɛmpɛ ne bebree. Sɛ de bɛyɛ metumi abɔ mpaeɛ ama ɔmo nyinaa maako. Ɛno nti fa number no, frɛ number no. Sɛ mepɛ sɛ me sponsor sei we ɛyɛ executive. Nti wo frɛ number na yɛbɛkyerɛ wo ɛkwan a bɛfa so a bɛ sponsor from limit bi a ɛde ama wo ɛkɔduru limit bi. Nti sɛ wotumi sponsor ba bɛhyɛm from saa limit na ɛkɔ na kyerɛ sɛ waba bɛyɛ executive member. Nti yɛba saa yɛde wo bɛto platform bi so. Ne yɛde Zoom code ne de ama wo. Afei ifiada na meba bɛyɛ asɔre de ama saafoɔ no executive service ɛwɔ Zoom no. Ɛyɛ saafoɔ na yɛde code na ma mo ne pɛ. Ɛna mebɛhyia mo na mabɔ mpaeɛ ama mo.
There is a small village in Zambia. That village is where your great-grandfathers came from. They call that village Munasha. Once upon a time, there lived a certain man there by name Chongo. And that Chongo, there was an elderly man there by name Mushato. And that Mushato had a prophecy about you.
Yes, sir.
And God said that Mushato had a prophecy that there will be a great man who may emerge from that family, Chongo family.
Yes, sir.
And you will bring glory into that family. Now, God said, I have made him great.
Jesus.
So that he will come and help the people in Mushota.
That's my village.
That's your village. And in no time, God has given me a direction to give to you. Now find something. Then you go and donate to the needy there.
Yes, sir.
And by so doing, in no time, you begin to see riches in your life.
Amen.
You'll be seeing riches in your life.
I will see.
But I am seeing something like Xmas. I am in the Xmas. And I'm seeing you crying. But whilst you were crying, you were mentioning the name Lenda Chongo. Lenda Chongo. Lenda.
Jesus, that's my sister, sir.
That's your sister.
Yes, sir.
See, the Spirit of the Lord is telling me that you should begin to intercede for your sister. Else, your sister will be having serious attack. And that attack will take her life. Okay, stretch forth your hands. Let's intercede for the sister right now. Lift up your voice. Begin to pray. Pray.
Jesus, we come
Pray for the sister. Pray for the sister.
Jesus, every power to destroy Linda, we come against it.
Enika efe adentina menya ho time saa because wo na Awurade afa wo wabasa so na odi ama TV na gina ntina mpese mihia mo Zoom na me na mo ye asori me bompa ye mam na madam ase we ye Zoom executive service se me pa chaw ohun so executive na emfa ho me wiram ye wie nso a ye besa so aton sa afre wo bia bi ni aye global service na ye no and the global service in the code in the TV no so say will be a join but radio a executive service a Friday we and unti and the idea to TV so say one so bit me a sponsor no for phone no for phone free o free pay the other can platform no where the code na mam that time no so me share mu nyina e wo Zoom no so na mabɔ mpaeɛ ama na mede akwankyerɛ na ɛbɛgu akwan ma mu wɔdi yie mɔ nti wonya register pɛ na wapɛ w'anointing oil baako na de asi hɔ ɛde atwɛn saa da no nyame wɔ nhyira wo sɛ wo ba bɛdwan ne executive service wei is for executive sponsors only nti wofrɛ pɛ ɛbɛmu a register nyame nhyira wo maka kyerɛ sɛ adom a ɛte me so no awurade de adom me sɛ memfa mmoa me man ɛno nti sitie yɛ sena afɔrebɔ nti tie deɛ meka no Friday we are ɛyɛ executive Zoom service ɛna me ne wɔn a wɔn aboa ma TV gyina so no na wɔn gu so boa no me ne wɔn bɛyɛ asɔre na ma bɔ mpaeɛ ama wɔn na ma dɔ wɔn ase ɛmenim sɛ nipa biara yareɛ bi da wɔ so nipa biara tete bi ha wɔ nipa biara nneɛma bi nkɔ yie yɛbɛhyia wɔ executive service no ama release nyame asɛm de ama wo wi ama bɔ mpaeɛ de ama wo yɛbɛbɔ deliverance nyina wɔ ha ɛmenim sɛ distance is not a barrier in the realms of the spirit. You are going to be a blessing. I am inviting you that if you want to join the executive service, it's this coming Friday. This Friday, we are all meeting the executive members, the sponsors. So if you want to join the service, just pick the number on the screen and you call. Then you register, you sponsor the TV, then we will add you to the group. Then we give you the password or the code for you to join the executive service. It's for our sponsors only. So call the numbers on the screen and you join the Zoom meeting. It's a Zoom service. Now we're praying for each and every one of you. I will conduct deliverances. I will do a whole lot, and God will use me as a vessel to bless your life. I respond to the name Prophet KB Emmanuel King. This Friday is executive service for my sponsors. If you can sponsor from the level that we are about to tell you, the level that we want, we will add you to the executive members. And I gather all of you in one room on Zoom and I pray for you. I know I will be a blessing to your life. Ministry, the gospel is free, but ministry is very expensive. But I know for sure that God will touch your heart to support the good cause. And at the end of the day, your life will never remain the same. God bless you all. I'll be waiting patiently to have an encounter. God bless you.
Who was born 22nd May? That is 1992. You are forgotten. That is your sister. She is 32 years now.
Oh yes, that's my sister, sir.
So that's what I'm talking about. I am seeing premature demise. And God said I should use you as a point of contact to cancel it. Because
Amen.
I am seeing your sister standing in front of a board, like teaching something. Like
She's a teacher. She's a professional teacher.
she's a professional teacher.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is what the Spirit of the Lord is telling me. That
Yes, sir.
Fire.
the very day that she completed in Ghana College of Education, in Ghana.
That's the college where she was.
Okay. That very day, the devil wanted to attack her, but they couldn't get an access. But this is the right time because your sister is weak in prayer. So after this broadcast, make sure you have an encounter. Then you speak to her to travel in prayer because the devil wants to attack her. This coming Xmas, for your sake, having an encounter with me today, her life will never remain the same. I said her life will never remain the same. Lift up your voice, begin to pray for the sister right now. Pray.
Thank you, Father, in the mighty name.
Pray. In the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Open your